Hi, I'm Griffin from Sheartak Tools, and in this video, we'll be going over how to properly install the 4 jaws of your lathe chuck. If you're watching this video right now, your lathe chuck jaws probably look something like this and are in complete disarray, so today I hope I can help you fix that. First, looking at the top of the lathe chuck, you'll notice that there are numbers around it. As well, you'll notice that there are numbers on top of each of the lathe chuck jaws. It is important that the lathe chuck jaws go into the corresponding slots to their numbers, as well as you insert them in the proper order from 1 through 4. The first step in actually installing your jaws is to locate the very thin piece of metal in the spiral. This will be the starting point for threading in the first piece of your jaw. To install the first piece of your jaw, first move the thin threading piece, just shown, a little bit to the right to give some space. Next, take your first jaw piece and slide it in as far as it will go. And once it is slid all the way in, you can rotate the jaw in the other direction to get the thread to start catching the piece. You'll know it's installed properly if you're not able to pull out the piece now by hand. You can now repeat this process with the second, third, and fourth jaws of the lathe chuck. With all 4 jaw pieces installed, you can now tighten the entire chuck as far as it will go. And by following these steps, you should now have a perfectly centered lathe chuck like this one. We hope that this video is useful to you in installing your new lathe chuck jaws. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Happy woodworking!